Peace and love, good people. Peace and love. We are back at the open with another SPY trade. Money in minutes. Here it is, 9:30, and we are in position -3. -3. So we are extremely far away. As you can see, we do have some levels of resistance marked off on the chart. However, these are minor levels of resistance, like swing highs, moving on up, or previous high and lows of previous trading sessions, the last 45 minutes. Now we are creating a tail bar, and we're going to the downside. So I'm entering a put right now. I'm looking at the puts on the options chain. However, being this far away from the moving averages above is triggering conviction on a pullback to those levels. All right, because we are far away from the fair price. All right, the average price, should I say, not necessarily fair, but I like fair. All right, so as we go down, boom, I'm looking to enter a put right now. We got a huge red candle coming from a tail bar. We have a huge Marubozu with a tail on it. And I'm still looking to enter a put. All right, now this particular put expires in 3 days. It's $200 and it has a 24 delta. $204. I'm kind of apprehensive about buying it. I'm thinking that we're far away, so we should be going back, but then I want to respect and go with the flow. But again, I'm not getting filled fast enough. So I missed that opportunity. I tried to get filled, and they did not allow me to fill that order. So boom, had to finally got in at 228. Right. Got in at 228. Interesting. All right, very late. I was originally trying to get in at 204 and I got in at 228. Yikes. And yet we are continuing to the downside. As you can see, the delta went from 24 to 28 as we move in the direction that I've chosen. It's saying that this particular option is up 376%, and we're going down, continuing down. We are far away from the moving averages, and now we are starting to see. As I'm watching this back, I would probably scalp and take this right now, even though I'm not at my 20% mark, just because we extended so far and we're already far away. I'm just looking at this like I want to take the 8% now. I want to take the 8% now. This is me trying to force a 20% trade. All right. I also didn't draw in my candle. I didn't draw in the big red candle showing the vast continuation. As you can see, you're starting to see the moving averages are starting to come into view as that thing pulled all of them down. And now we have a green candle creeping its way back up this red candle. So we either are going to take out the low of this red candle and get some more continuation down, maybe hitting 661.18, or we're going to go up and take out the top of this candle, which would be a bullish reversal. And you know that if we see a bullish reversal, we got to dive in that thing. We got to dive in it. So, you know, the big thing in this particular trade that stands out to me is, again, my risk management. You know, I don't do the worst job with entering. I feel like I get pretty good entries. Look, I was up $20. I gave it all back. Now we down -12. All right. So I do a good job, but it's getting out of trades that I'm struggling with. It's the ego. It's the, like, as much as I intellectually know that you're going to be wrong and you're going to lose, I still fight that, and I want to win, even when I feel like right now, this is a bullish reversal. So as much as I haven't lost my stop loss yet, I know that this is a signal that we're going to be moving up. This is a perfect signal. It couldn't look more beautiful for us to continue up. That's why I just bought a call. I bought a call with a 33 delta with a 0 DTE. So the value is flying. Look at that. I'm already at 20%. The value is flying. So what am I going to do here? This is the cardinal mistake. So I jumped in the call, treating this like a pullback. So that's not the worst thing. Like, I'm like, all right, let me get in this call, catch this pullback, and then I know we're going to get continuation to the downside, but I'm not considering how extended this move might, one, already be, and two, I just got a bullish reversal. That event is almost like a canceled Christmas event. Like, it's a big deal. It's a big deal. All right, so here I am, down 24%, up 18%. All right, so the smart thing to do would be to look at that. I want to TP. I want to take profit on my 20% trade, and then I could just cut my loss. And go on about my day. So boom. Let's get it. Look, I'm more ready now to take profit than I would. Dang. Okay, perfect. So I took profit on that first contract. Let me know in the comment section what you think happened on this second contract. Peace and love, and I hope you get rich. Subscribe to the channel and leave a like.